ask for it. So this is our first experience going through Border Patrol. Interesting.
Make sure she stays back.
So I paused it because in case we had to pull out IDs or anything, but it was pretty quick. He just asked if we were U.S. citizens and said, "Have a good day." So, even though, oh, did he look at the license plates? Yeah, he's probably like, "Oh, they're just going home." But that was simple, easy. No reason to be nervous about it or anything. Well, unless you're doing something you shouldn't be doing, then I guess you might want to be nervous. So that was kind of a cool experience. Something we don't see up in Missouri. Good morning and happy late Merry Christmas. By the time this video shows up on our channel, obviously Christmas will have passed because today is Christmas Day. And we are on the beach in South Texas, Magnolia Beach. And we are camping here. You can see we're really close to the water, and there's our rig right there. So you get to pull up on the beach and camp. And there's the water, and there's the view. Isn't that beautiful? Woke up this morning, it was still dark. I could hear the waves just barely. So I popped open the window and just laid there and listened to the waves. It was great. I'd like to be able to do that every day. Look at that sunrise back over there. So we're gonna stay here. We stayed here last night. We pulled in really late last night and we stayed. We're gonna check things out today because obviously it was dark when we pulled in last night, so we couldn't really see anything. So we're gonna check some things out today, and we'll get some more video, and then we'll leave in the morning and start our trek back home. We will be stopping one more stop. He doesn't want to go home, but we'll be stopping one more stop on the way home, and we'll of course get that on video too, because I'm not quite sure yet where we're going to stop, but we need to be home by Friday evening so we can fix a late Christmas dinner for the grown-up kids of ours on Saturday. So, okay. It's a bird, Darby. Just a bird. So it's about midday here on our day stay at Magnolia Beach, and we've been up to the restrooms, and they're pretty clean. And as many YouTubers have said, there are showers, but they're locked up. You can't get in there. So, what, like everyone else said, then they think that, it's just something they're just keeping closed because maybe too much damage or whatever to them. I don't know, but they are locked up. I'm gonna zoom in here, and if you can see the little pink cabanas, I don't know if you can see those back over in there. Behind those cabanas is a building where the restrooms are. Those cabanas have picnic tables and, did you say barbecue grills or fire rings and barbecue grills? There's a ton of trash receptacles down there, and I believe there's some back on this other side, but here in the middle, not so much. So, and these houses and buildings that you see are permanent residents, and there's the beep beep bus that it actually says that on the side if you can't read it from this distance. But everyone, the residents, they've all been pretty quiet, and we haven't heard anything out of any of them. The people camping have all been pretty quiet. Yeah, there was some fireworks going off last night. I don't know anything about the regulations and I don't know if it's holidays only for fireworks or what, but it wasn't an obnoxious amount, and they didn't do it for very long. There are a ton of fireworks stands on the way here, so if you want to, if you're allowed to, you might want to check that out, and you can always stop and grab some fireworks on the way down. And then if you look, this is the other direction, you can see there's more RVs over there, and there's actually, where you can see those palm trees, on the other side of those, there's a little space for some more camping on that side over there. But we think it was worth the stop. We're enjoying the day. Time for a little bit of an adult beverage. Sun setting, kind of back over sort of behind us. It's nice and pretty, kind of pinkish, purpley blue sky. Pretty quiet. A lot of people come and gone today. So they're pretty far away from us. It's been a very enjoyable day.
Please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we upload new videos. We appreciate you coming along with us and hope to see you again on our next happy adventure.